If you could ask God one question and you knew it would be answered, what would it be? Christianity Explored gives you time and space to explore the big questions of life. It's relaxed and informal. You don't need to know anything about the Bible. You can ask any question you want, or just sit and listen. It's up to you.
Opinion polls say that 70 to 80% of people believe God is there. But what really stumps most people is, if he is there, how am I meant to relate to him?
Presented by Rico Tice of All Souls Church, Langham Place in London, you'll discover who Jesus is, why he died, and what it means to follow him. Christianity Explored. It's time to discover.